Hey guys, welcome back to Earning with Bits. Today, let's take a look at my RollerBoy upgrades and make a Matic withdrawal. We'll also be buying a new miner with our Roller tokens. Right now, I have 320 petahashes. We'll see how much I have after we upgrade. First, let's select our balance tab on the top right. Now let's choose Matic. Now let's select our wallet tab. Once again, choose Matic from your token list on the left. Then select Withdraw. The minimum amount of Matic you need to withdraw is 80. I think I have about 80 Roller tokens as well. Next, I'm going to enter my Matic wallet address and confirm the email code. Great, our Matic should be on its way in a day or two. Now let's purchase a miner from the marketplace. Choose Marketplace from your dashboard on the left. The best thing to do is arrange the miners by the highest to lowest power. Then set the maximum amount of tokens you're willing to spend. Okay, what I'm doing is arranging the miners in order from highest to lowest power. When you buy miners, you should only purchase ones that have at least 20 petahashes. Anything less is useless and won't really mine much. It seems like the Unreal Air mattress is the best miner for its price. We're gonna go ahead and purchase it. Now let's head back to my main room. Here I'm going to choose Edit, then auto set my miners. Great. As you can see, my power has increased by more than 40 petahashes. You can also play games and do the offer walls to earn extra tokens. I'll show you how in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at Earning with Bits. Please like and subscribe.